And here we go. Day 2 of Triangle Proportionality Theorem took place on 9/26/25. Yes, it was Mr. Richard's birthday. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes, did I just celebrate myself? I sure did. But let's kick it off. Number 1. Okay, a couple of things to keep in mind, guys. Again, Triangle Proportionality Theorem. We have a little line here that intersects with both sides of the triangle that's parallel to this. So it's this 1 will be proportionate with the 5, meaning our question mark, oh no, I don't like that, let's change it to an X, will be proportionate with this larger side. And here we go, let's kick it off. I will highlight this entirety of 12 because, well, I'll put that in blue, but that represents this entire side. And then we're going to set that over, or just use our little X, and let's go red over blue. So let's go X over 12. Wonderful. But now if we did this entire side, that means we have to do 5 plus 1 because we also need that entire side. And I'll use this just to kind of represent it. We'll build it in ourselves. All right, and then what should we set that over, the 5 or the 1? Great call from the last video. Let's make it the 1. Now if we went small over large, well, small over large, we have to go small over large, making that 1 over 6. And from here, guys, what do we simply do? Cross multiply, thank you very little, Chevy Chase, Caddyshack, equals 12 times 1, which is 12. And a simple divide. Yes, sometimes my 2's catch that every once in a while. By 6, x equals 2. Go ahead and circle your answer. And I'll cover one more on this one, and that's it, because, guys, trust me, I think today's is actually a little easier than yesterday's. I love throwing some challenging ones at you because I love when you come in with questions, but you guys have been seeming to dominate. All right, so here's what we can do here to begin this one. All right, we know that this entire side right here is 32, and if it's giving us one of the two pieces, that's 12. Well, 32 minus 12 is, great job, wonderful work. That's a 20-piece nugget. Thank you. Now we will just do this again, and I will highlight in red. We will take our 4x plus 3, put it on top. And then we will simply set that over 25. And again, guys, if we took the smaller side and set it over the larger side, well, we need to take the smaller side of 12 and set it over the larger side of 20. So I'm just going to highlight that for you so you guys have that great visual, as always. Doing my best for the crew, my Math 2 crew, that is, yes, or my geometry people that are learning triangles. I love triangles for some reason. I think this might be like one of my favorite units. Oh my goodness, math nerd alert, sure am. All right, 4x times 20 is 80x. 20 times 3 is 60. We will set that equal to 25 times 12, which is 300, because 12 quarters, well, that's $3, giving me 300 here. And then from here, it's just a simple two-step equation. So get rid of the plus 60 by a minus 60. What we do to one side, we, yes, do to the other. Your 80x comes down. 60 minus 60s bring down your equals. 300 minus 60 is 240. We will divide each side by 80, giving us x equals 3. All right, now if we need to find this side length, we can simply do 4, and every time we have an x, we'll wrap it in parentheses, which is 3, because we figured that out already. And then we will do plus 3, and then we will set that equal to, well, 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 equals 15. And circle your answer. Guys, that's a wrap. 926 classwork. Let's rock and roll.